Welcome to KPIS Elementary Science Fair, where students showcase their passion for science and innovation. Each project reflects deep inquiry, collaboration, and a commitment to learning. Hear from the young innovators as they showcase and reflect on their science project.
Why does umbrella fly away but trees don't? We were thinking about how to make our umbrellas stronger than everybody else's, and we thought to put the Play-Doh above the straw, like the straw under the Play-Doh. And here's our second one. We copied things from trees. This is the stem and this is the roots. Copy these from roots.
Okay.
It's for making the stand up. We learned that we can solve human problems by getting ideas from nature. We call it biomimicry. Problem is about how the design affects the projectiles when launching. This one it will go farther, but this one will go higher. And this one we use popsicle stick.
I think this one will go farther because it have a stronger foundation and it's used rubber band to produce elasticity and it's a bigger design.
So yeah,
I see.
The rubber bands also used for elasticity, but the thing why it doesn't go far is because the foundation is not strong. That's why it goes high but not far.
Yeah, but
Can we try it?
Yes.
Okay.
we can try both.
Project do you have here, guys?
We have a spaghetti bridge. We want to know what different kinds of them change how much weight it could hold.
This is the truss bridge, and this is basically like a jail cell, but inside is a normal truss bridge, but outside it has an outer layer shell. You can add weight on top to see how strong it is.
Okay, can we try?
Sure. Yes.
Okay, so let's try this one first.
You add it up.
So
Books
what is
is
the
a
weight
max.
of each book?
1.221 kilograms.
So 1.221 kilograms. So total of first book, okay?
8th book. 10th book. And 15th. The truss bridge is stronger than that bridge, which is
Okay.
basically like a jail cell.
Sure of the bridge really matter of how much weight we can hold on that bridge.
Yes.
Okay, good job, guys.
Thank you.
Nice.
We're very excited to celebrate the incredible achievements of our young scientists. The Science Fair is all about exploration and creativity, allowing students to showcase their unique projects, from fascinating experiments to innovative inventions. So we hope our students learn valuable skills in critical thinking and teamwork while also having fun along the way. So a huge thank you to our dedicated students and our hardworking teachers and students as well for making today possible. So we hope that you get to enjoy the Science Fair in elementary. Thank you.